Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I know by the title you're probably saying, what is wrong with Alma? What does she want to say? I know, but trust me, this video is just to catch cruise, okay? This video is just a cruise kind of video. I had this idea in mind and I just like, people might actually want to know what I have to say about this. So if this is something you guys want to know, where to find men in Nigeria, it even sounds so awkward me just saying it, but yeah, if you want to know where to find men in Nigeria, all of you that have been saying, oh my god, there's no more husband, all the men are finished, all the good men are finished, it's a lie. It's a lie. There are men, okay, and there are still good husband materials out there. So if you want to hear all I have to say on where to find good men in Nigeria as a whole, yeah, then please keep on watching. Okay, so the number one place that I feel that you can find a good man in Nigeria is church. That's like the obvious answer, right? Church, because I feel like, you know, all the good guys go to church. I mean, especially if you're a Christian, all the good guys go to church, but also be aware that devils go to church too. So you have to know how to sieve the wheat from the chaff, okay? Good guys go to church, devils go to church as well. But I feel like if there is a particular guy you have been seeing that comes to church, like back when I was single, I remember that I did meet a couple of great guys in church, one or two. To be honest, I didn't really like date any of them, maybe because they ended up not being my type. But were they good guys? Yes, they were good guys, and my spec or my type might not be your spec or your type. So I did meet a couple of good guys in church. One or two of them I was involved in entanglements / situationships with. I feel like church is a great place to meet people. Just take your time, watch a particular guy every other Sunday. He's always in church. The best part is if he's always worshiping, he's always so just make yourself available around the area that he usually is. Maybe sit on the same pew that he's sitting, maybe sit on the same row or the same, you get what I mean, you know, this thing. So I feel like church is one of the best places to meet or to find a good guy. All right, okay. The number two place I feel like you can meet a good guy in Nigeria is a restaurant. Guys love to eat, and a lot of guys go out to restaurants on a daily basis. I have met one or two people in restaurants back when I was single, and even when I do go out, you know, I go to restaurants a lot. I get invited by restaurants to come and try out their meals and all that. A couple of, you know, cute guys walking and everything. Some of them with arm candy, maybe with their girlfriend, or if they are married with their wife, but some of them come in alone. So I feel like a restaurant is a nice place, okay, to meet a cute guy, especially if you are a foodie. I feel like if you are a foodie, this will not be far-fetched for you. If you're a foodie and you love to go try out new restaurants, you just might bump into your future husband in any of these restaurants. Quote me anywhere. In a way, I'm kind of speaking for Abuja restaurants. I'm not sure what the vibe is with Lagos restaurants or any other restaurants in locations that you are based, but in Abuja here, a lot of fine guys go to restaurants on a daily basis. I'm just telling you now so that you will know. If you're single and searching, just take a trip to one restaurant one day and you just might find him. All right. The next place that I feel you can meet a great guy in Nigeria is the bank. I know that a lot of us hardly go to the bank these days. I mean, we all have our bank apps. We do most of our transactions on our bank apps, transfers and all that, bill payments and all that on the bank app. So I know that many of us do not go to the bank, but if you have any reason to go to the bank, I'm not talking about, you know, normal withdrawal queue or deposit queue. That's not where you're gonna find the hot guys. Where you're gonna find the hot guys is the foreign exchange queue. Yeah. Yes, the foreign exchange queue in any bank. I feel like the FX queue has, you know, once in a while. I'm not saying you should go to the bank in the morning and don't leave till evening because you're looking for hot guy. That's not what I'm saying. But if you happen to ever go to a bank, keep your eye out for the FX queue. You just might see some cute guy trying to make some foreign transactions, and who knows, you can just ask for his pen and write something on your slip, or ask for his pen to fill your slip or whatever, strike a conversation with him, and you never know. So yeah, a bank is a great place, okay, to meet a good guy that is also a bit anyway. Next one. The next place I think that you can actually meet a good guy here in Nigeria is the gym, especially if you are a fitness guru, body goals, all of that, looking good, keeping fit. I've heard people say, I'm saying I've heard because me, I don't go to the gym. I think I've only been to the gym once in my life. I went to the gym for like 3 months, particular time. I got a membership and everything, but it was only for 3 months. And when that 3 months elapsed, I didn't go back. And I was way slimmer than I am right now. So I feel like a gym is a very good place to meet a guy because I mean, hot guys keep fit, all right? Hot guys keep fit, and we don't see guys with a big pot belly and everything in the gym. You see fit guys trying to look good, sweaty and all that with muscles. Please don't, I'm married, I beg. But still, if that's your vibe, if that's what you're looking for, you can definitely find in the gym. You can always be on your treadmill, look cute, you can see a cute guy, you can even strike a conversation. You never know where it will lead to. Okay, so even if you love food so much, also love to keep fit too. You can love food and you can love to keep fit as well, all right? So use one stone and kill what? 2 birds. The next place I feel like you can meet a good guy here in Nigeria is a bar or a lounge. That's also a very obvious answer because I feel like a lot of guys hang out in bars and in lounges, especially here in Abuja. In fact, anywhere in this country, I feel like bars and lounges are mostly occupied by guys. Most of the girls you see in bars or lounges come with guys, maybe girlfriends, maybe wives, maybe fiancés or something. But then there are a group of guys that can just decide to go out on their own. A group of single guys come in without chicks, and you never know, you just might snag a hottie from a bar or a lounge. Don't forget to look good, wear your LBD, put on your red lipstick, look cute, okay? Because trust me, a lot of people meet in bars and lounges. Also with this, I would say don't waste your time with somebody who is not serious. Many guys that go to bars and lounges also are not serious people, so try to always, you know, sieve the wheat from the chaff. Know how to do that. In fact, I feel like for me 10 minutes meeting a guy, I already know that see, me and you, nothing can happen, okay? I already know. So if you meet a guy in a bar or a lounge, 10 minutes of having a conversation with him, you should know if you want to see him again, right? So yeah, keep your options open, but at the same time, have sense, use your head, okay? The next place I feel like you can meet a guy, especially in Abuja. I don't know about other states, but in Abuja, because it has happened to me, it is still happening to me till today. The best place I feel you can meet a cute guy is in traffic. Yes, in traffic. I have been stopped in traffic since I started driving. I have been stopped in traffic 1 or 2 times by some dudes driving some hot cars, okay? I literally had an experience. I told my husband, I was just seeing him some days ago. I think it was the first month I was driving. We were in serious traffic somewhere and this guy pulls up in a Porsche and he was trying so hard to strike a conversation with me, as in he was trying so hard. But in my head I was like, why in traffic? Like, And I don't think that day I was wearing my wedding rings. You guys know that I was growing my wedding band. My wedding band is too small for me, so I just wear my engagement ring. On some days I don't even remember. But yeah, that particular day, the guy he wound down his glass. So I didn't wind down my glass for obvious reasons. Obviously, I'm married. I didn't wind down my glass. But this guy wound down his glass, was ready to talk to me and everything. And I've had that happen not once, not twice, not 3 times since I began driving. So if you're a single chick on the hunt for a cute guy, there are cute guys in traffic, okay? Your own might just be in traffic, so keep an eye out. Don't keep strong face when you are driving like this. Strong face like this. Nobody will wind down for you. Nobody will look at you. Keep a cute face when you're driving, all right? Keep a cute face. Even though me, I feel like my driving face is funny. But for you, who is single and searching, keep a cute face when you're driving, because you never know who's going to wind down the glass to talk to you in traffic, okay? The next place I feel you can meet a really good guy here in Nigeria is the club or a party. So when your friends invite you for a party, don't be a couch potato and say, I'm tired, I cannot come out. And you never know where you will snag that hottie. You never ever know. Again, avoid guys who get drunk in the club or who are groping ladies or, you know, just acting very irresponsibly. Avoid them. But I can tell you that you can definitely tell a serious-minded guy who is just there to have fun. You can tell, okay, from how he acts, from how he drinks, from how he sips, from how he does what he does. You can tell. So a club or a party is an amazing place to meet a good guy. I mean, heck, my mom and my dad met in a party, just so you know. My mom and my dad met in a party, so you never know. All right, go for that party. Don't decline that invitation. Go for that party. The next place I feel like you can actually meet a good guy in Nigeria is also an obvious answer: social media. The number of couples who have met on Twitter, via Instagram DM, or even when we had our BlackBerry Messenger then, are numerous. A lot of people have met on social media. I did have 1 or 2 exes that I did meet on Facebook. So I think, yeah, Facebook, and then even like BlackBerry Messenger. Us not ending up together were for other reasons, not because we met on social media. There are a ton of people who are married today who met on social media. So I would say keep your DMs open. Don't ignore DMs, except obviously maybe you go to the guy's profile and you don't really like what you see, except that. But keep your DMs open. Answer your DMs. Look at your DMs. You never know, okay? Look at your WhatsApp, because somebody might see you on somebody else's WhatsApp status and ask for your number or something, and you never know where it will lead. So just keep your options open, all right, honey? The next place I feel like you can meet a good guy, and I'm speaking for myself now, is NYSC camp. So if you are currently 7, NYSC, for those who don't know or who don't live in Nigeria, is National Youth Service Corps. It is a 1-year mandatory service that the government put in place for youths to serve their fatherland after university before they enter the job market, right? So I feel like those 3 weeks orientation camp that many people like to dodge is key, because I met my husband on NYSC camp. We were friends for 4 years after that, but I feel like NYSC camp is a great place, you know, to meet someone nice. You don't have to start dating them immediately you meet them. You guys can be friends. You can grow in your friendship, hang out, just be paddies. And then who knows, like maybe years down the line, like me, you might just end up getting married to that person. That's how life is sometimes. So don't look at all the guys in camp. Don't look down on them and say, these guys, me and them are on the same level. You know, you never know. You never know. Keep friends. It's okay to keep friends and then later in life explore options of being in a proper relationship. But yeah, keep your options open, because I did, and look where it got me. Okay, and the very last point I want to make, or rather the very last place, I don't know, number 10, is allow yourself to be match made. Allow yourself to be match made. See, our generation now, we've gone beyond your friend telling you, oh my god, I know this really cute guy that I think you might like, I want to match make you too. Don't be the girl that says, oh please no, I don't do all that, I don't do blind dates, I don't do. You never know, sister. You never know, okay? I've also heard stories of people who were match made and ended up being together. Some match made by their parents, some by friends, some by relations. Some of them obviously don't work for obvious reasons, but the ones that do work end up being great. So I feel like it's a very good option to keep open for yourself. You never really know who they will match make you with. That person might just be your husband to be or your Mr. Right, okay? Alright guys, so that is all I have for you guys in this video. This video was very random. I legit was thinking about this idea like 5 minutes ago, and I put on my camera and was like, let me just film this thing, okay? So hope you guys enjoyed watching. Did you guys get 1 or 2 things from this video? Let me know in the comments. Was it just cruise for you? Alma is just catching cruise. Let me know in the comments, whatever it is. Thumbs up, subscribe, share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.